Even it is a new hire, they can just copy the right mindset. Because in Facebook, in affiliate marketing, everything keeps changing. But a right mindset can solve the problem.
If there's anything you want to offer to our audience to really help them like hit it as big as you guys, or at least getting towards that path, what would that be? What should they do over the next year? Something personal that you want to share with the audience before we walk off this stage.
I think like if you're new in the space, I think building relationships properly with like definitely Facebook and PayPal is like the standard. You have to really build good relationships with them. But if your suppliers, your logistics or shipment companies could kind of like help you out or build the trust in understanding them, visiting them, it will make a huge difference as well. So like, when we just got started, it's because of all the connections we had in the past, like probably 10 years that I've tried when I was doing eBay times, right? So that's all the kind of like relationships that I kind of built over the years that like, I was dead broke. I have less than $100. But we were able to kind of like get back into the game and doing like over 1 million in sales for the first month, going back into drop shipping, right? But that's not going to be possible if you don't have like credits from your suppliers or Facebook. So I hit up my Facebook reps. It's like, all right, I will get you guys on credit. My logistics and shipping partners, they get me like $400,000 or $500,000 in credits. Of course, that's not going to happen in one day. But I thought you guys probably could invest more time in terms of like building out the relationships, trust, and everything. That's going to go a long way. Like, it's not just going to be like the first 1 or 2 years, but it's going to be very helpful for the next few years.
Definitely. And this place here is perfect
for
part
sure,
of that, right? A lot of people that you need to work with are not going to be here, right? Especially like supplier side. But then again, people that you meet here can help you a shitload.
Yeah, for sure. Like even the networks could give you guys credit. That's going to help with the cash flow, with the reserve, with like PayPal, Stripe, and everything. Yeah.
Right. Perfect. Okay. Evan.
For me, I think I would say, we are all entrepreneurs. So entrepreneurs, there's a bad habit of like not wanting to hire people, sometimes not trusting people to do your job well. So I think a lot of us need to unlock that mental break, block that. You need to hire people to do your job, or else you can't grow personally and you can't grow the company as a whole as well if you don't want to hire the right people to grow your company.
All right. So people around your business and building those relationships, and people within your company to help you get shit done. Angus, what will be your one point that you want to share with the audience?
First, I think it is still people.
It is.
I think you need to have a mindset that you try to help your staff to success. You try to make them working comfortably. If they make a lot of money, and you will make a lot of money. The media buyers, you need to train them up. You need to copy the mindset. The whole company has a very hardworking, can-do culture, so that even it is a new hire, they can just copy the right mindset. Because in Facebook, in affiliate marketing, everything keeps changing. But a right mindset can solve the problems. Yeah.
That's a very wise answer. All right, cool. Thank you very much for that.